People who sweat for the development of the information communication industry. The company that rises to realize that effort. New technology and creativity. 삼영이엔씨's most advanced technological capability leads the IT industry with passion and a pioneering spirit into new fields. 삼영이엔씨, the power of Korea that shines in the world. 삼영이엔씨, the company leaps forward to the world. There is a company that realized technological sophistication by daring to make a challenge into the domestic land and marine electronic communication equipment market, a virtually untapped market in 1978. 삼영이엔씨, a manufacturing company specializing in land communication equipment and marine electronic equipment for navigation, communication, and fishing. With the support of the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy, 삼영이엔씨 began to showcase product categories developed with local technological capability, whereas they had relied heavily on imports in the past. Accordingly, the company began to attract the attention of both related industries and the media. 삼영이엔씨's successful localization of equipment manufacturing reduced the expenditures required for importing foreign technologies, as well as accelerating the advancement of the domestic electronic communication industry in terms of quality level. Not settling for the achievements of today, 삼영이엔씨 focused on R&D, eventually growing into a comprehensive manufacturing company in the field of land and marine electronic communication equipment and communications equipment in the defense industry, as well as navigation and fishing electronic equipment. Its brand name is equated for technological innovation not only in Korea, but also overseas as well. Products sold at 삼영이엔씨 are divided into 5 major categories. 삼영이엔씨's first product category is the AIS and GMD-SS radio equipment, which has been recommended by the IMO to be installed on board as an emergency system subject to SOLAS. SI-30, which for the first time in Korea has electronic charts on AIS terminals providing all the information on the ships, when the ship arrives and leaves the port, and automatically provides more versatile information during sailing. GMD-SS equipment, used for faster life-saving activities when in an accident, consists of MF-HF radio communication equipment. SRG-250, 400, 1150DN and 1250DN with NBDP function, and DSC VHF radio telephone equipment STR-6000A, which benefits the most advanced technology standards demanded by the ITU. In addition, satellite telex equipment Inmarsat-C, Navtex marine safety information receiving equipment, EPIRB, which emits position information automatically, SART for search and life-saving, and two-way VHF, the ultimate communication means with a ship in distress. These are some of the representative products. The second category is general radio equipment. 삼영이엔씨's communication equipment has, for the first time in Korea, employed the direct digital synthesize method and improved the stability and sound. One single integrated type of SSB radio equipment was built in DSC as the main unit of the transmitter. Class D DSC VHF radio telephone equipment, which has been designed for the safety of coasting vessels. 27 MHz SSB radio communication equipment, which has been improved in durability by a constant voltage stable circuit. The portable VHF walkie-talkie, resistant to water and shock, and public addresser, the communicator within the vessel, are indeed showcasing the reality of marine communication equipment. And KT PowerTel's TRS communication device, which offers radio communication as well as mobile phone services up to 130 kilometers to the coastline, has secured its position as an essential communication tool for coasting vessels. The third category is navigation equipment. 삼영이엔씨's navigation equipment is produced by factoring in the safety and economics of the vessels in navigation. The GPS color LCD plotter provides the latest information required for navigation. Grafting the latest electronic chart and satellite navigation systems, it is offered in 5.6-inch, 6.4-inch, 8.1-inch, 10.4-inch, or 15.1-inch LCD displays, and can be selected according to the purpose and size of the ship. Also, a 36-mile onboard radar has been produced for the first time in Korea on the market by a local manufacturer with a 10.4-inch color LCD. Following the trend of shipping automation, automatic navigation systems have been developed by linking the GPS plotter, autopilot, and engine control device. A satellite TV antenna enables a cultured life on board. Such is the field we aim to grow. These state-of-the-art products shine because of our technological capability. The fourth category is fishing equipment. The fishing net recorder, a must in fishing activities, can prevent damage and loss of fishing nets, which in turn enables fishing work in the reef area where it was virtually impossible in the past. And Fish Finder, appropriate in domestic and overseas fishing operations, is offered in 6-inch, 10-inch, and 15-inch LCD as a standard. With the characteristics of frequencies of 28, 50, 88, and 200 kHz, it can compare the school of fish and enable users to pick specs according to the type of fish and fishing style. Also, due to development of water sports, Fish Finder for fishing and leisure boats is also becoming popular. The fifth category is the communication equipment in the defense industry that is installed on Navy vessels and land control centers. HF communication systems, including transmitter and receiver for integrated operation that collects and exchanges all types of information through MF/HF radio communication networks during normalcy or wartime. The HF communication system was selected as a product self-developed by a local company by the Ministry of Defense. It was developed successfully under the quality guarantee of the Defense Quality Assurance Agency. Its technological capability was highly recognized and a permit was obtained from the Ministry of Defense for use during combat. The company was designated a national defense company on October 28, 2004. Accordingly, it will make immense contributions to the domestic supply of high-end, value-added defense equipment, as well as the creation of demand in the overseas markets, which in turn will lead to profit maximization, the nation's self-defense, and the accumulation of the latest technologies. There is no miracle when it comes to technology. Sam영이엔씨, the company that learned that there is nothing as honest as technology and one that is worthy of investment, invests over 10% of the revenue to R&D. It leverages its 20-year-long know-how and proprietary technological capability to develop enhanced products that are in line with the diverse demands made by clients worldwide. Moreover, it actively participates in industry academic research cooperation, as well as the operation of its own research center to engage in active research. It is making the utmost effort to pay back to the client the world's best products and services through continued management innovation and quality-geared management, and to fulfill its social responsibility as one of the companies registered in the COSDAC. Sam영이엔씨 continued to experience high growth to the point that it now stands alongside the world's leading companies. The success factors include prompt product upgrades, innovative development of the latest products, and effective client management. Moreover, its impeccable AS spirit attests to this success. These are the promises made, since the company is proud and confident of its technological capability. The company is trying its best to promptly provide enhanced services and quality in line with the globalization of marketing, signing of contracts with the local service companies to build a global network, and to recruit effective service personnel. In addition to the management of the domestic market, centered in Busan, it manages over 40 agencies worldwide to offer convenient AS anywhere, anytime. In the face of globalization, it successfully entered into China, Russia, Southeast Asia, Southwest Asia, Africa, America, the Middle East, and EU markets. Sam영이엔씨, through its multi-level and differentiated marketing activities that target the steadily growing global market, is gaining the spotlight in the global market as a representative company of Korea, as a company that is leaping forward to the world, and the new core that will lead the information communication industry in the 21st century. Sam영이엔씨, the company that is working hard to put forth the name of Korea. With a firm sense of mission that the image of Sam영이엔씨 is the image of Korea, it will continue to make the utmost efforts to ensure continual R&D investment and new product development of land and marine electronic communication equipment, in addition to the Navy HF communication system, its strategic category.
저희 삼영이엔씨의 직원일동 급속히 변화 발전하는 통신기술의 개발에 주력하고 지속적인 경영혁신과 품질 경영을 통하여 세계 최고의 제품과 서비스로 고객 여러분의 신뢰와 사랑에 보답하겠습니다. 열린 기업으로서의 사회적 책임을 다하겠습니다.
The company that continues to try and pioneer. The company that wants to become the best by doing its best. The company that wants to create a new tomorrow. Sam영이엔씨, the company with #1 brand recognition in the land and marine electronic communications market. Its efforts continue to this day so that it can become the leader of the information and communication by developing and sustaining technologies that will enable it to survive and thrive amid fiercely competitive global markets by capitalizing on its management innovation and cutting-edge technological capabilities.